White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, subscribers. Chris from White Bulls here, and today we're going to be doing baby back ribs. I know you guys have seen me do ribs plenty of times, but you've never seen me do baby backs, so let's jump into it. We're going to do a 5-hour process. Not exactly a 3-2-1, but pretty close. These kind of ribs require that kind of attention to keep them tender. So let's jump into it. Let's get them prepped, and let's get them on that Traeger Ironwood 885. All the way from Cali. Let's go. Hit that like and subscribe. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do with baby backs, or really any ribs, is flip them over and get that membrane off the backside. You don't want to eat that. Doesn't taste good, doesn't render, and will be extremely chewy after smoking 5 hours. So you take one side from the bone side where the bones are exposed, use a paper towel and pull them back. Gonna get your finger up under this, pull that membrane back. Sometimes they're already split, they have a little separation in them. Just flip it to the bone exposure on the other side. It'll help you grab that membrane easier. And just like so. Done deal. That's how you remove the membrane. Now let's get the seasoning on these. Let's get them on the smoker. Going half Rack City, half pulled hog. Both available at whitebullsbarbecue.com. You know the deal. Guys, so what you have here is, like I said, half Rack City, half pulled hog rubbed. You're gonna let that set in for 10 minutes, aka let the meat sweat. And then these are going on that almighty Ironwood 885. Let's do it, straight from Cali. All right, guys. We're an hour in. Got these half pulled hog, half Rack City baby backs going down. Let's hit them with a Spritz. The link will be below for this sprayer. Shout out to my boy Ray.
Let's get it!
Let's do the damn thing. We'll see you in another hour. All right, guys, so we got these baby backs rolling. It's the 3rd hour. We're rolling at 250 on the Ironwood. Cherry pellets, of course. Let's get it. We're gonna spritz it, but first, we're gonna get us a probe. Dead center in the rack. We're sitting at 180, dead center. $175, dead center. Okay, so in another hour, we're gonna wrap these at the 4th hour mark. We're also gonna swap these. I'm gonna pull the back one to the front and the front one to the back. So people ask me all the time, why do you spritz with just water? The reason is because you wanna keep the moisture in the meat, and I don't like to add artificial flavor to my meats or my rubs. I like just the rub and just the meat, and then I give a very thin glaze at the end. But I feel like when you use sodas and other things like that, it changes the quality and the taste of the meat. That's why I always roll water. It just promotes moisture staying in the meat. That's why we do it. And we do it once an hour, guys. That's the rule of thumb. So we'll be back in another hour. We're gonna probe them again. They should be up more around 200. Then we're gonna wrap them for an hour. Let's go. All right, guys, it's the 3-hour mark. So we are gonna take these off, put them like meat down in this syrup. We like to use butter syrup. We don't like to use actual butter. It's too fattening and it's unnecessary. All right, so we're gonna take some light brown sugar, sprinkle it in that syrup. Don't go crazy with it, but definitely get a good amount. Then you go face down. And that's exactly why we season that bottom side after you take the membrane off. You're gonna wrap it. Remember, it needs to stay meat side down to soak that stuff up. Put it back on, rolling at 250, and we'll be back in an hour to take them out of the wrap. Best damn barbecue ever. Hit that like and subscribe. That's how you do it. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah, baby. That pulled hog rack city. Ooh, look at that, man. That bark. Unreal. Pulled hog rack city. Cheers. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, this stuff here. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, look, I'm gonna really prove it to you right here. Ready? Look at that. Candy ribs. 10 out of 10, dude. Look at this. Guys, do this method. Thank me later. Hit that like and subscribe. The best damn barbecue ever. I'll see you next time on this tripod. Let's go.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.